Hey guys, today we're unboxing this, the ASUS vivobook. This is an i3 machine, very budget friendly machine, and there's the exact code of the machine, the x1502z, and this thing has got an i3 processor. If you have a look here quickly, i3, this is a 12th gen machine, SSD 512 gig, PCIe 4, and it's got 8 gig of DDR4, Wi-Fi, USB, Bluetooth, whatever, everything else that you need on a laptop, this thing has got. This will be a perfect machine for admin and doing your chores and stuff. Not actually a gaming kind of a laptop, but for work and office use and anything like that, this will be perfect. Well, let's quickly get it out of the box and see what you get. Alright, so when you open up the box, over here you've got your charger. It has got one of these brick kind of chargers, and the voltage on this is 19 volt, and this is a 3.4 amp, a 65 watt charger. It's a bit difficult to see there, but there it shows clearly 65 watt. So this has also got a pin in the middle, so it is a special kind of a plug, this, and a little bit of velcro just to keep the wires nice and to keep the wires nice and neat. So the laptop is packaged in this soft fabric just to keep the scratches away, and what you also just get is a few manuals. So let's get the laptop out of the bag. Okay, again, it's a kind of a matte metallic blue finish, so it's got a bit of flake in there. It's just a nice finish. This is a very smooth finish. This is the ASUS vivobook, the brand on top there, you can see. Let's start from the back. It's got a very large hinge, or the two hinges on the sides, and this piece of the laptop folds in at the back of the laptop. There's enough cooling vents at the bottom with this little rubber foot. It is pretty thick, so it will lift the laptop a lot. And then you've got your two speaker holes at the bottom. On the sides of the laptop, on this side you have got one USB, your power light indicator, and the battery charge indicator. This is only a USB 2. On the other side of the laptop you've got your two USB 3 ports and a Type-C port, a headphone jack, and your HDMI and your charging port. The front of the laptop is just plain. So let's quickly open it up. I'm gonna try with one hand, but yeah, the hinges is a bit stiff in the beginning. Very nice feel to it when you open it up. It has got a camera at the top with a camera, very nicely integrated camera shield there. If you slide it, just closes the camera, so the privacy shield. The screen is a matte, almost glossy, but matte finish. So as you can see, the lights in the studio it's showing on the screen, but it is diffused a lot. And then you also have your vivobook logo there at the bottom. Let's take this off. You have a full-size keyboard with numeric keypad. Because this is a 15-inch, normally on them you get this, except on the gaming laptops. This has got this funny, I don't know, white stripes on the enter button, but I see that on these machines. It's just something they do on these laptops. It's got all your function buttons at the top. This is not a backlit keyboard, and your touchpad. So all the buttons is very soft to type on Most of the new keyboards on the laptops these days are very responsive, and it's just a nice feel to your touch. The buttons on this is very big, so you will be able to type on it like a normal keyboard. The touchpad is a bit smaller than some of the other models. Everything clicks and works nicely. Another thing on these laptops is they have got the lay flat design hinge, so when you press the screen all the way down, the laptop can be installed like that. So if you want to use this for something like a wall installation or whatever, this machine will be perfect for that, because the screen can open 180 degrees. Just something to note there. Another thing is the screen is not part of the footing of the laptop, so the screen does not touch the table. There's no touch there or no contact to the screen, so the whole laptop is kept in the air by this foot. Let's quickly get the power connected and just switch it on. When you plug in the plug on the laptop, so on the other side you will see a light come on. So there you can see it's the battery is charging, so the light is not on the same side as the charger, it's on the opposite side. And when you switch on the laptop, it will also, let me just push the power button, so then you'll see another light come on that shows that there is power. So just another thing, a bit of indication when you put it in the bag to see if your machine is off or not. Oh, and the laptop's keyboard has got a little light on the caps lock, so when you press it, it'll lit up and just show you that your caps lock has been engaged or not. Nice feature to have when you're typing passwords. When we receive a new laptop, we normally redo the Windows. So let's see if this makes a big difference. I'm running Nova Bench at the moment. This is a clean Windows installation from factory, but I'm gonna do one here at the office. Alright, so there's the score that we got for the laptop from factory. So that's what we got, 1524 points. We'll see what we get after a clean installation. Alright, the laptop has been reinstalled with Windows, fresh installation, and we're gonna do the bench test just now. Alright, and that is the score after the clean installation, 1759, and all the other scores. Alright, let's quickly have a listen to the sound quality. Does seem to have great sound, even though the speakers are facing down, but let me put up the volume. That's about 50%. Just gonna take it to 100% quickly. Yeah, it seems like it's got more than enough volume for a quick movie watch or anything an email or whatever you have that's got video or audio. And the rest of the laptop is working quite nicely. We've got great display, great colors on the display, and as I said, the screen can go way flat. And the working of the machine is a little bit better after we did a clean installation of Windows. We went from, I think, 1500 points to 1700 score. So yeah, we can all do with extra speed on our laptops. That's the ASUS vivobook unboxed, and hopefully this just helps you to decide if you like this machine and you want it, or if this will work for you. So yeah, thanks for watching.